How to make money on Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Sit down to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hello and welcome in this video where I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful EA-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital arts to written material. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high-quality, marketable content, whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. Here you have some types of content that you can create. With Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine sell beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless, and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. First step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into minddrift.ai. So this is the website. As you can see, Minddrift. Here we have our role: EA tutors writer, EA tutors domain expert, EA tutors editor, EA tutors expert, and annotator. So you can select the one you want. Then we have blog, about us, fact, login in for EA tutor. If you're scrolling down, here we have who are EA tutors. This is a new role arising from advancement in EA technology. EA tutors are experts involved in AI projects. Their responsibilities include crafting texts, evaluating the EA's responses, and conducting fact check. Here we have some comments, you can read it to more understand. Here we have what is Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA. You can see we have also some information that can help you guys. First, we have try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere, anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Then we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Here we have join our challenge pool. First we have invitation. As you can see, you can read this one. Then we have writing and editing. You can read it also. Domain experts. As you can see. Then we have how to sign up. First we have first name, last name, email, phone, country. We have a link in profile, personal website. Then you click over here if you are agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunity. Then if you want to submit the application, all you have to do is click over here. Here we have some responsibilities: review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement, from like clear effective instruction for annotation projects, develop training tasks for EA projects. We have also requirement with command of English intermediate or higher. Then we have key A for digital data labeling. It's all about precision. Then we have readiness to earn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So there is also some information here like blog, In blog we have all, as you can see, we have rules and more. You can select the one you want. Then we have sites. Then we have stories like lenses leap into generative AI. We have also conservation with teach editor Amrita. Then we have podcast also, as you can see, interview with Tanisha. Then we have Charlie also with Amy. Then we have about us. Let's read it. So what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a community of experts dedicated to generate high quality data for improving EA, composed of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative EA models. Then we have some questions like generative facts of questions. Do I need EA development experience? What is an EA tutor? What does a typical task look like? You can just click over here and you get your answer. There's a various questions here. Then we have also pay. How do I get paid? You will be paid through your our payment partners, Pioneer Prepara or Solar Staff, depending on your country of residence. Payments for accepted tasks will be issued twice a month. Then we have how much will I get. As you can see, you can read it. Then we have schedule requirement. Well, I need to perform a set amount of hour every week. How flexible is this opportunity also? As you can see. Now that you have created your digital products, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital dollars, while Shutterstock is great for stock image. Setting up a seller account is straightforward on Etsy. Click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompt to create your shop on Shutterstock. Sign up as a contributor and upload your images. Amazon Kind is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines lines to get started. So let's give in some marketing types like social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work, or creating a blog or YouTube channel can also help showcase your work and attract customers. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with keywords to improve visibility. And there you have it with Minddrift. Making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.